Welcome. So in this part of the tutorial, we are going to talk about how you can add music and sound effects to your project. So let's open our project and begin. So this is our project. And remember the last time we've added our caption and other things. So if you want to add your music, you can come here. You will see here on the top left corner, audio. So when you click on the audio, you see here music. You can choose any music here. Let's say you need cool music. You can just search for cool music. And let's see what can come out. So this is cool bar vibes. You can download it and listen to it. That is excellent. Of course, you can add this to your project by clicking on the plus sign here, or you just drag it and drop it to your projects. Excellent. So if you don't want to use this particular music, you can also import your music by coming to this media and then click on import and select your music. And when it comes here, you drag it and drop it to your timeline. So as you can see, the red here shows that this music is high volume. So you can just select the music and then come to volume and decrease it, maybe put it low. Your music should be lower than your voice, your audio. Did you get that? Your music should be lower than your voiceover. So let's play it and see how it sounds.
Exercise is one of the most powerful tools for maintaining a healthy body and mind. It not only strengthens muscles and
Do you like that? So if you want to change the music, just click on it here and then hit delete key on your keyboard and it's going to be gone. If you want to add another one, go back to the audio. Let's try this one and see. Just drag it down here and then you add it. Remember the volume is high. You go to your volume and then you decrease it. Yes, of course, that is excellent. Now we play it.
exercise is one of the most powerful tools for maintaining a healthy body and mind. It not only strengthens muscles and bones, but also improves heart health, boosts
Note that you can also increase the volume while you are playing it. So let's do that and see so that we can balance everything up.
energy, reduces stress, and keeps the brain sharp. There are several types of exercise, each with its own unique benefits. Aerobic exercise, also known
Did you enjoy that? That is very cool. Now let's talk about sound effects. Sound effects can make your edit more immersive, like adding a swatch for transitions, a click for button presses, or ambient sound for atmosphere. Let us say that we want to transit from this particular cycling to jogging. So let's do that and see. And remember, your transition should match with your audio. So when they want to talk about, let's say, another type of exercise, that is when you are going to add a transition so that you have the transition from this part to another part. So let us see how we can adjust our video or our clip to match the audio. Let's play it and see where they are talking about type of exercise.
energy, reduces stress, and keeps the brain sharp. There are several types of exercise, each with its own unique benefits. Own unique benefits.
So each with its own unique benefit. This is where we are going to transit. So we can put a marker here. This is exactly where we are going to transit. So if you keep it here and then you click on this place, remember I told you this is marker, and then you click here, you have the marker there. So we want to extend this particular clip to this place so that it can transit to the second clip. How are we going to do that? If you drag it, it's not going to be dragged because the clip has a duration. So you can just copy it, click on it, Ctrl C. Then you make sure that you select this main track magnets, you turn it on. Then after that, you drag it, the one that you copied and drop. As you bring it here, it's going to create a space for you because that main track magnet is on. You leave it and it is there. So remember that this is where we want to transit to make the transition. So you come here to this end and then you drag the anchor down here and then you leave it. So we go to transition and then we can come here to light transition. So we select any transition that best suit our need that we like. And then we drag it here. Let's say this one is Glade 2. So you just drag it there and you drop it here. So you can extend your transition a bit or you just leave it like that. So let's play and see.
each with its own unique benefits. Aerobic.
So you see the transition, right? Good. So let us add our sound effects while this is transiting to another scene. So you come here to audio and you select your sound effects here. You see sound effects here. If you just want to type this, you can say swoosh sound. You used to see some people, they will add transition and you see whoop. So such transition is what we are looking for. So you can search for it in CapCut here and then you play it and see how it goes. Drag it down here and then you leave it there. So you can add your sound effects here. You can drop it here. You can adjust it. You can increase it, the timeline, so that you can see where to adjust it to. If it was here, you can just adjust it so that it can match the transition. And then you can decrease this so that you can also see the other part of the timeline. And then you can play it and see. Let's play it.
The brain sharp. There are several types of exercise, each with its own unique benefits. Aerobic exercise, also known as cardio, includes activities like running, cycling.
Was that not cool? That's fine. Excellent. So you add your sound effects so that it can attract the attention of the viewers. So when you add it here, it will match with what they are saying and it's also match with the transition that you are adding to your video. I hope this is helpful. Thank you very much for watching.